Today we're going to be doing a behind the scenes of what it's like to plug a bowling ball. So we got this DV8 Verge right here, and what we use is resin and hardener. So you're going to take your cup right here, and once you get a cup like that, you're going to pump 2 pumps of this and then 2 pumps of this. All right, so the ball is it's got a blue color. So over here we're gonna start off with a base of blue, and we're gonna pour just a few drops of blue in there. And then once you got that one in, I'm gonna come in with the purple and drop 1 or 2 in there.